Greetings everyone, myself Raji Salin here from Marketing Keeda, and I will present to you today our Android based app, that's the Textlancer, which is available now on the Google Play Store. First of all, let's just show you this is how the menu of the first menu of the Textlancer app which will be looking like, and it's very simple. This is an app wherein instead of going onto a web version, you can actually click on send a quick message. If you just see the first option over here, the second option which is send a group message. So in case we'll just have a look over here directly. Now first of all, you just like to see over here that there's two types of SMSs that you can send to the user. One is the promotional. So if you have a database and which are non-DND customers, you can only send them these messages, that is from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. sharp, very strictly 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Second one is transactional. So if they have given you a consent, so you can actually send them a message 24/7, but you need to be very straightforward. Like these customers of yours should have given you a consent to send them an SMS, be it missed call or howsoever, but you should have a consent from them. Now starting with now we just see over here, this is the sender ID. I have some pre-approved sender IDs. Like now I want to send a message to, as a sender ID is Keeda. See this, it's 6 alphabets. So any sender ID of your choice can be but restrictions are it should be only 6 alphabets only, no numbers. Now if I'm just see over here that I'm just clicking onto this group, I had in a workshop on the 15th of September. I have some 13 contacts. Yes, I've selected it. So I just click on the next and I can type in a message. So if you just see this, when I'm typing anything, the numbers over here are changing. Now I can also have some of these templates which I've already made. So I'm selecting this. If you just see this, download app from bit.ly/Textlancer or access our web version from the below link. Enter the URL. Now if you go onto your browser or onto your computer or your browser, like I can say, if you have a Chrome with the Internet Explorer or Mozilla, just enter this URL, that's login.marketingkeeda. I'll just highlight it over here for you. This is the login.marketingkeeda.com. Enter your account details, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up. And yes, again, if you have any doubts, that's my number over here. You can give me a call anytime, 9819668385. Now have had this message. You can see it's one SMS character. Now let's just see if I'll just add a single alphabet. Now if you see this, it's now become 2. So 160 characters is one SMS credit, and if it's 161, it's 2 SMS credits. I click on scheduled if I want to schedule the message, or I want to send it right away. I just click on the send and the message will go. It is also showing me, if you see this, the balance. Yes, that shows the balance. I'm coming back. Now I have already sent some of the messages. Now okay, today there's no messages gone, so I can see a report of 3 days. Okay, so this was yesterday, this was day before, and this is today. So there's no messages gone too long, so it will show us blank. Same ways, if I want to see the kind of last 3 days, I can see this number wise. So each and every number which is there, you see this over here, and I can see the message that is gone to them. Now the main feature. Now if you just see this, there is a kind of a summary. There is a summary over here of this, like how many people have got this birthdays. There are so many, Mr. Ashok Kumar, Renu Pugal, Shanti Kotari. It was their birthday on the 17th. Okay, 17th of September. Now these many people have got a personalized, like if you see this here, they have got a personalized SMS from me, from my account. How have we done that? Simple. There is automation, so there's nothing to worry. I click on the add contact, in the similar way. Like if I just see, I just add a name, like example, I'll just put in my name over here, I'll put in my number, and example, I'll just put in my date of birth. So, and okay, so these are the fields that I require. Like I can also collect some the last name, or I can also collect the email address. I select a template again. Now I'll say I want this one. So see this now, this is the template that I've selected. Thanks, first name, we have added you to the list. Show this SMS to the counter for a welcome offer. That's a brand name and the number. So now imagine this, like you have a retail store, you think of having a kind of a POS machine for billing or something, and you want to connect with your customers. This is an Android based app. So once again I repeat, it's an Android based app. So you do not have to worry about having a big laptop or something, or kind of, if you're already using some SMS services, instead of having a laptop, you can have it, this app, you can have it on your phone itself. It should just be Android, and it has to have internet. Now if we just see preview, I'm previewing the message which I've just selected. Thanks, Rajesh. If you see this, it's personalized now. So when I just click on OK and I click on submit, now see what happens. Duplicate contact found. That means out of these 16 contacts which I'm seeing over here, the system has automatically told me that, okay boss, this number which is there, it is already existing within this group. So this personalized message would not go. So in case if I'm saying show this SMS at the counter for a welcome offer, the retail store does not have to go through a list of numbers. Automatically the app will just say on upfrontly that boss, don't, you can't add this number, can't give him a discount, he's already a duplicate. Okay, so I hope that you have liked our app, and if you have it, simple, we have just given you an option over here, share us. Click over here and you can share it to whosoever, whatsoever, at whatever platforms. Like we are on LinkedIn, you can share it on GeoChat, email, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, or to anyone. So I hope you have liked it, and if you do, please share us on your Facebook page and all. And with that, I log out. Thank you.